I'm Jeannie Klein, and this is my brand new series called Super Simple. All of my recipes are 10 ingredients or less. We're repurposing leftovers for the following day to come up with a brand new dish. We're doing food in a smart, efficient, but really fun way. It's all super simple. These smashed sprouts with gremolata are one of my favorite ways to switch up my vegetable game. They are not boring at all, and this gremolata is the most versatile thing you may ever use. So let's go make it. Plus, I'm showing you how to repurpose it into tomorrow's breakfast. Come on. All right, so let's cook some sprouts. I have a pot of water that I've just filled about 3/4 of the way full, and we're just throwing in our Brussels sprouts. And basically, we're gonna boil these for like 10 minutes or so, and then we roast them. Oh, it's like the best combo ever. And I think it's exactly what you want in a Brussels sprout. All right, so in the meantime, while these boil, we're gonna make our gremolata. I have some garlic, I have parsley and fresh lemon. It's like my favorite little trio in the kitchen. Just adds flavor to anything. They're just really good to keep stocked in your refrigerator. Just mince up this garlic. If you have a garlic press, by all means, you could use that. And this same gremolata, like you could use this for anything. Throw this on top of chicken, throw this on top of a steak, any roasted vegetable, and then you just have a really beautifully composed dish that's super flavorful. All right, some fresh parsley. Give that a good chop. Oh, it smells so good. Yum. Gremolata. Okay, and last but not least, we have some lemon zest. Now again, we're going to be using the actual lemon juice to drizzle all over the cooked Brussels sprouts once they come out of the oven. But we're using the zest and the gremolata, so we're just reinforcing all those lemony flavors. It's so good. So good. I love lemons. Beautiful. This is just going to be standing by. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper to this, give it a good mix. And we're gonna save this for when the Brussels sprouts come out of the oven. We're gonna put this all over the top with that lemon juice. It's gonna be so good. Brussels sprouts are looking good. Look how bright green they are. They're so gorgeous. I'm just gonna take them and remove them into a colander. You wanna drain off as much water as possible because that's just gonna make your Brussels sprouts soggy. You want them to be nice and crisp now that you're putting them in the oven. Okay, beautiful. Now, this is what we do to smash them. This is the fun part. You're gonna basically put these guys on your board, do a few at a time. You take something heavy, you could take a cup, you could take a pan, you could take whatever. Smash it. Have fun. And depending on how soft your Brussels sprouts are, sometimes they'll completely fall apart. Other times they'll just like break like that, which leads to more surface area for crispiness, which is exactly what you're looking for. So that's it. Put them right on your baking dish. All right, so we have our Brussels sprouts all prepped and ready to go here. We are just going to sprinkle them with a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, and just douse them with a little bit of olive oil. Just give them a little zhuzh around there. Glorious. Okay, we're gonna pop this into a 425-degree oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. These are gonna be golden, beautiful, and then we're just gonna douse them in that lemon juice and our gremolata. These smell so good, but wait, we're gonna make them even better. Just wait. We're gonna add our lemon juice right away. We're doing it at the end because you don't want them to be soggy. You want them to be crispy, but then to just soak up all that lemon juice. Oh my God. These make me so happy. Yum. It's a fun new way to do vegetables. I feel like you just get so bored with the same thing over and over again. All right, we have this gremolata that we prepared. That garlic, parsley, that lemon zest. You're reinforcing those lemony flavors. And once those herbs and the lemon and the garlic hit those hot Brussels sprouts, I'm so happy right now. Okay, and if you want to take it over the top, you can just add some freshly shaved parm. And just the contrast with the white, with the green, all those colors. And these are gonna hit those hot Brussels sprouts and start melting immediately. Oh my God. Okay. Yeah, this is optional. If you don't want to add Parmesan, you don't need to. Do I recommend it? Yes, I do. I do. I love parm. Okay, that's it. And we're just gonna put this on a plate and you have a yummy Brussels sprout dish. Check it out. As always, I'm showing you a second repurpose. So the way you can make it into either a killer breakfast or a really great lunch, right here. All I did was I just fried up a little bit of sausage, chopped up these Brussels sprouts, which have the gremolata and everything on there, and then fried an egg on it, and you have 2 fabulous ways to serve these same exact sprouts. That's it, guys. Enjoy. Super simple.